In today's video, we are going to show you how to customize tags in Asana. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials and click the Open in Browser. This will forward you to the main dashboard. Tags are one of Asana's simplest yet most powerful tools because they help you categorize tasks with color-coded labels, making it easier to track priorities, status, and workflows. Once you are in the dashboard, I want you to click the task that you want to customize your tags. For example, in my case, I have this. Now, the tags are added in this section. For you to be able to customize it, I want you to click on the tags itself. So click that. Here, there is a drop down on the actions. And for you to be able to customize it, you can rename the tag if you wanted. For example, okay, let's say tutorial, and then click on the update tag. You also have the ability, of course, to make your tags stand out. You can assign colors. So from here, hover over the tag name and click the arrow icon. Of course, you can choose a color that best represents that. This helps visually separate different categories. Okay, so it's up to you. It's a matter of preferences. And that's how you customize tags in Asana. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.